There's nothing better as summer approaches than setting the perfect mood. That means a lava flow in this house. All of the flavors of the tropics and a refreshing drink to welcome the sunshine. Little paper umbrella required. So grab a fancy drink glass. It's time to make some magic in Mrs. Kringle's kitchen. Hit the red subscribe button and click the bell to be notified when new videos go live. Get 2 ounces worth of fresh strawberries. Cut them and place them in a small blender. Add a splash of coconut water from the coconut milk you'll be using. Give it a blend until it comes together into a puree. This is the consistency you're shooting for. In your blender, add half a banana, 2 ounces of coconut cream, 2 ounces of pineapple juice, and a splash to 1.5 ounces of rum. Pulse the mixture until it all comes together. Then add 3 to 5 ice cubes and give it another blend. Pour it into a 10-ounce glass and add your strawberry puree for the flow. Some people put the puree on the bottom first. It's totally up to you. Garnish with a slice of strawberry and pineapple on a paper umbrella. The lava flow may not be a vacation to Hawaii, but you can recapture the aloha whenever you like with this drink. Coconut, pineapple, and banana are classic flavors, and the strawberry lava is a delicious treat with a different amount in every sip. Wish you were here! For the full printable recipe, head over to mrskringleskitchen.com. Until then, here are a few more videos you may like. Don't forget to give a thumbs up